Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. In the previous video we have seen tuple. So how to join tuples we'll see in this video. In the previous video we have covered how to access tuple, how to use if loop, how to use while loop, and how to retrieve the elements, how to sort, right? These are the things we have seen in our previous video. Now I will be going with joining the tuple. So here joining tuple is a very simple task. So here we can use simple plus operator in order to join two tuples. So here I'm going to have tuple 2. I'll be defining it tuple 2 as again, as we know that it can accept anything 2 3 4 5. I'm going to take, so 5 elements I have taken. So here now I'm going to define again tuple 3 as tuple 1 plus operator I'm going to use over here, and tuple 2, right? So here, in order to see whether these two tuples have been joined or not, I'm going to have a print statement where I'm going to print tuple 3. Okay, so here if I run it, I'll be getting, right, tuple 1 has been added with tuple 2. Okay, so here we are having a special thing, that is multiplying the tuple. So if you want to multiply the content of a tuple given number of times, you can use star operator. Okay, star, that is nothing but into simply you can take it as. So here first we are going to print tuple 3, and then I'm going to define another thing, that is my new tuple, or I will say new tuple, as tuple 3 multiplied twice. Okay, so here I'm going to see what happens. Print of new tuple. Okay, so I'm going to run it. So here this has been multiplied twice. So here I got twice the elements what I'm having at first. So first statement will print this tuple 3, right? Then next statement will print new tuple which has been multiplied twice by the 2. Okay, then I'm going to have twice the number of items I'll be having over here. Next we'll be moving to Python tuple methods. So here we are having mainly two tuple methods over here. These two are inbuilt tuple methods we can use on tuple. So in that for that we need to have a print statement. So before going to that, let me tell you, count and index are these two tuple methods we'll be having in tuple. And then whereas count of returns the number of times a specific value occurs in a tuple. Okay, so here let me give you an example. So we'll be taking tuple 3 over here. Okay, tuple 3 dot count of, so here whichever item you want to see how many times it has been repeated, that things we'll see. So here in tuple new tuple, here we are having apple repeated twice, one repeated one repeated twice, true repeated twice, false repeated twice. So here you need to remember, so here whenever you go with count, true will be considered as value 1 and false will be considered as value 2. If you understand this, then only you will be able to see. So here for example I'm going with apple. Okay, I want to see how many times this apple has been defined. So for that I need to have a print statement, and then I'm going to close this with bracket, and I'm going to run it. So here I can see apple has been repeated in tuple 3. Okay, so in tuple 3, tuple 1 plus tuple 2, we got only one apple, right? So now we'll see in new tuple how many apples were there. Okay, so for that you need to have new tuple, and then if we run it, it will print obviously 2, right? Apple has been repeated twice. So here we'll see one specific thing, that is here I want to count 1. How many ones are there in this thing? So if I go with this, here I'm having 6 ones. Wow, where? So here we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 ones. Remaining 2 from where we got. So here true value has been considered as 1, and then again here true value is also considered as 1. So total it became 4 plus 2, total of 6 things. Next we'll be going with index. So this is the last and final tuple method, where index searches the tuple for a specific value and returns the position of where it was found. Okay, so here instead of using count I'm going to use index. So here in order to retrieve the index number of a specified value in a tuple, you can use this. Okay, so here I want to have index number of let me say apple. I'm going to have what index number will I get for this apple. Let me try. So it says 0. So here it finds first element only. So from starting on, wherever you find apple, it will print that one only. So next if you paste the link over here, then what will I get? So 0 and 0. Okay, this is how we will be able to see. Okay, so here you need to test yourself, so whether these functions are working or not, whether what's the main difference between tuple and list, and then the thing which is upcoming, that is set. Okay, these things you need to verify. For that you need to have a practice, so please do install the software and then do practice. With this I'll be winding up the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.